Welcome back, ladies and gents. Glad you could join me for this short video. We're going to be checking out really strange anomalies that I discovered at a site just to the south of Kunowsky on Mars. This is located in the northern mid-latitudes of Mars, and for those of you that have been following my work, you'll know that I've been struggling to find anomalies in the northern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere has a ton of anomalies, northern hemisphere not so much. So let's get cracking on with this one. The high-rise photograph we're analyzing here is called Shallow Channel, southeast from Ortygia, Colles. I hope I've pronounced that word correctly. And this was acquired on the 4th of July 2012 at 30.9 centimeters per pixel. And the anomalies I've found are in this JP2 black and white map projected file. The terrain is wind blown. We can see traces of what looked like dust devils that have visited this area quite extensively. We'll have a look at some more anomalies and artifacts in this region of Mars towards the end of the video. So do stay tuned for that one. This site is located 53.11 degrees north, 350.90 degrees east, and it's in this rather flat, smooth region of Mars just to the south of Kanaskie. I estimate that's about 150 kilometers in distance. Right, the first anomaly right there, folks, is about 5 by 5 meters in size, and if we take a close-up look, we can see this bright part to it in the shape of a triangle, and if you draw a line through the apex, we've got two of these sort of flange or wing parts to it on either side. Symmetry and geometry going on in that piece, guys. I wonder what that is, some type of structure or wreckage, debris maybe, who knows. There's the other piece, about 5 by 10 meters in size, and it's got this strange shape to it. It's got like a cross or a plus sign on the top, and then on either side it's also got these sort of parts that bend down to the surface. So symmetry going on in this piece as well, guys. Don't know what the heck that is. Then the other blocky type anomaly right there, that piece there's about 6 by 8 meters in size, and there's a very interesting piece next to it to its right. It's also got this sort of shape of a cross or a plus sign. Check out the symmetry and geometry going on there. And then on it, it's got like a small little triangle, some type of wreckage maybe. And then the block to the left, it's got like this bevel to it, and on top of it, in this hollowed out part, we've got like a partial disc sticking out of it. And in front of it, a donut-shaped object right there, and next to it, a rectangular part that seems to be slightly higher than this part over here. Rather strange anomaly as well. So let's go ahead and check out these anomalies, the surrounding terrain, and some of the other artifacts. As I say, this is located in the northern mid-latitudes of Mars. Here's the photograph we analyzed, Shallow Channel, southeast from Ortygia, Colles. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, guys. And there are the artifacts, just a quick reminder of what we just covered. And I'll show you two others that look very similar to this that my friend and I discovered on Mars as well. So let's have a look at the artifacts in this region called Kanaskie. We've got what looks like a huge eroded pyramid right there in the center, and on top of it my friend found this strange, it looks like an arch or a triangular structure of some sort. The one side is broken off over there. But check out the symmetry and geometry in this piece, guys. Got like a triangular cutout to it, and then that ornate rounded side over there, as well as over here. Definitely looks sculpted and doesn't look like any of the other pieces in this region. And there's a look at the tiles or slabs that cover the one side that's still visible. You can see it consists of these rows and rows of blocks, and each block is about 5 by 5 meters in size. And some of the other artifacts around here, check out the alignment of those smaller parts there in a row next to this rectangular piece over here, which has a small part in its center. It also has a slot cut into it over there. And then some more alignment going on here, guys. Got like a little triangular part in front of a disc-like object. On either side, two similar sized and shaped narrow anomalies in that row. And then this strange thing looks almost like a little craft, maybe even a sphinx, who knows, with the base structure there and the head on top. Look at the symmetry and geometry in that piece as well. And then also there's two sites in this region that has these Stonehenge type artifacts. Check out the circular patterns going on there, guys. Right, I want to show you those two anomalies that look very similar to this one over here. Right, so let's zoom out, go down to the equator where I found the first anomaly that looks very similar to that one, and there it is. It's got this rounded skirt, for lack of a better word, and on top of it what looks like a dome. Could that be another structured artifact? Or are we looking at a potential craft that crashed over there, guys? And this site is located 1 degree 58 minutes north, 35 degrees 55 minutes west in Hydrohotes Chaos. So let's go up to the northern mid-latitudes to where we have the other object like it, and you can see from all the pins there are tons of anomalies here. And let's see, I think that's it. This is it, yeah, guys. That's the other one I showed you next to it for comparison. Look at the uncanny similarity going on there, and it's the same size as well. There it is on its own. Courtesy of my friend Saturn Arc, who made that discovery. This site's located 45 degrees 17 minutes north, 84 degrees 46 minutes east in a region called Utopia Rupes. That's it for this one, guys and girls. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Do let me know in the comments below what you think of these. Are we looking at derelict structures, some debris or wreckage perhaps, maybe even some type of tech? Do appreciate your comments. I read them all. Thank you for watching. Do take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.